It's Saturday, first day of doe season. I have my 50 caliber percussion rifle I built from parts and stuff there this winter. Got it sitting here, and I got the 257 Roberts. Got shooting sticks, a stool, some warm clothes, and a 5B doe tag. So I'm going down to my parents', south central Pennsylvania. My dad has a hollow that runs behind his house. It runs parallel to the road, but the deer come into a neck and they go perpendicular across the road and into the side hill, and then they wrap around into this hollow and until they get back there. Sometimes it's late morning, sometimes it's early. It depends on how pressured they are. He's been seeing quite a few down there, so he's not hunting this morning. Told me to go ahead and hunt it. So we will see. My plan is to try to crack one with this percussion rifle if it comes by, around 50 to 70 yards, or closer, open sights. But I'm not. It's gonna be an hour and a half drive, so whatever's most effective. But it would be cool to try to shoot one with it. So take it along in case they're closer, and if they're stretched out a little further, why I'll just crack them with a 257. So got a buck tag too. So we got a legal buck, which is 3 points on one side. Why I'm gonna shoot one of them. So don't know that there's much else to say other than getting on the road. Well, it didn't take long. There she lays. Of course, it's much lighter than it looks outside, but a nice close shot, probably 50 yards. Down. First few minutes of the morning. I had 5 come through, and they ran down here. Or they were walking, and the one picked me out when I was getting myself situated to shoot their direction. And when she stopped and looked at me, I had to kind of lean out around a tree. I don't know if I hit her or not, but she ran down here and stopped. So I shot at her again. She dropped like a big doe. She's good size. Good sized doe. And you see there, I put one right through her shoulder. And she ran down here and stopped. I guess I just was worried that I missed her, because she just stood there. She's probably gonna fall. Let's see here. Got her in the neck, which put her down. Big doe. Okay, well, I still got a buck tag. In Pennsylvania, you guys are supposed to tag a deer before you shoot another one. So I'm gonna put a tag on her, run back up here and sit. So. Alright, got her tug. Gonna go back up here and sit and see if anything else comes through. Plenty of time. I mean, it's early. I mean, that was probably the first shot of the morning was mine. Tell you what, it's pretty special to be able to shoot my 50th deer with my grandpa's gun on my dad's property, where I never used to shoot deer because this never held deer. It was cattle in here. And we fenced it off. The cattle are in the pasture now. They're not in the woods. And Dad shot his doe in here in archery. And he shot a number of deer back here now. All because it's starting to thicken up, I had 5 come through here, so I got a tag on her. I'm just gonna sit. Hopefully Mr. Buck will come walking through. We'll see. Got the percussion here in case one comes close. bob in case they go a little too far. Oh, I got him. Oh my gosh, I just shot a nice buck. It's like a nice 8-pointer here. It's a good one, I'll tell you. He's not a very old deer. But I am more than happy for him. 257 Roberts 8-point. It is December 7th, 2019, and it's the second Saturday of rifle season. I was sitting here at my parents', I have a doe tag and a buck tag, and had does come through at first light, and I shot one, which she ran down the creek, and I tugged her, and I went back up and started filming and watching for more deer. And so on the phone with my brother-in-law, who just shot a doe and saw some buck. We were talking, and I looked over, and right here in this thicket was this buck standing. The sun shining on him. I had to go. I had to quick shoot him. And it took forever for him to step out, and then I was finally able to get a shot. But he went straight down, shot him right through the shoulder with a 257 Roberts hand load, 100 grain Sierra Spitzer boat tail bullet. Nice 8. So I got my hands full now. I got my wife's car I brought down for the day, so I'll have to get a tarp and stuff them in the trunk. But that's fine with me. Filled both my tags, my 5B doe tag and my buck tag here on the same day, and it was pretty eventful. So this makes my 50th whitetail. This is my 51st, so these are my 6th and 7th deer for the season, so I've had quite the year. Got them skunned and quartered hanging here. My dad's gonna bring them up tomorrow once they drip. Successful morning in South Central Pennsylvania. Hey kiddo, did you swim?
She's so excited. She can't wait. She's covering her eyes.
Did you just wake up from a nap?
Daddy, I want to see it.
You want to see it? All right.
Daddy, shot too.
Mm-hmm. What do you think of that? Was that a nice buck?